Going to the bank to withdraw money.
Did you go to the bank to withdraw some money?
Yes, I went to the bank earlier this afternoon.
Did everything go smoothly?
Not really. The line was so long and I had to wait forever.
That's frustrating. At least you got your money.
True, but I'm not going back there anytime soon.
Going to the bank to get money out.
Did you go to the bank to get some money out?
No, I didn't go to the bank. I used the ATM instead.
That's more convenient. Was the ATM working fine?
Yes, it was quick and easy.
That's great. Banks can be such a hassle sometimes.
Definitely. I try to avoid them when I can.
Going to the hotel reception for your room keys.
Did you go to the hotel reception to collect your room keys?
Yes, I went there as soon as I arrived.
Were they ready with the keys?
They were, but it took a while because of the line.
At least you didn't have to wait too long.
True, but I wish the check-in process was quicker.
Going to the vets to check your dog's teeth.
Did you go to the vets to get your dog's teeth cleaned?
No, I didn't go to the vets. I forgot about the appointment.
Oh no, are you going to reschedule?
Yes, I'll call them tomorrow to set up a new time.
You should. Dental health is important for dogs too.
I know. I'll make sure to take him next time.
Going to school to do a test.
Did you go to school to do a test? Did you decide to cheat because you didn't know the answers?
No, I didn't go to school to cheat. I actually studied for it.
That's good. How did the test go?
I think I did okay, but it was harder than I expected.
At least you tried your best. Cheating doesn't help in the long run.
I agree. I'll just wait for the results now.
Going to school to teach maths.
Did you go to school to teach the children maths?
Yes, I went to school today. We had a great class.
What did you teach them?
Basic algebra. They found it a bit challenging, but we got through it.
That's great. Did they seem to enjoy it?
Some did, and others needed more time, but overall it went well.
Going to the office to speak to clients.
Did you go to the office to speak to your clients?
No, I didn't go to the office. I spoke to them over Zoom instead.
That's convenient. How did the meeting go?
It went well. We discussed everything we needed to.
That's good. Saves you the trouble of commuting too.
Exactly. Working remotely has its perks.
Going to the bar to get a drink.
Did you go to the bar to get something to drink?
Yes, I went to the bar last night with some friends.
Did you have a good time?
We did, but the bar was so crowded.
That's typical on a Friday night. What did you order?
Just a beer. It was nice to relax for a bit.
Going to the supermarket for food.
Did you go to the supermarket to get some food?
No, I didn't go to the supermarket. I ordered groceries online.
That's smart. Did everything arrive on time?
Yes, and the delivery service was excellent.
That's convenient. I might try that too.
It's a real time saver.
Going to the hairdresser for a haircut.
Did you go to the hairdresser to get your hair cut?
Yes, I went to the hairdresser this afternoon.
Did they do a good job?
They did, but I had to wait longer than expected.
That's annoying. At least you liked the result.
True. It was worth the wait in the end.